Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad, 10th class, Similar Triangles. Basic Proportionality Theorem. This is also known as Thales Theorem. Theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Or in a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. Given in triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC, and DE intersects the sides AB and AC at D and E respectively. This DE intersects the sides AB and AC at D and E. RTP required to prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, AE by EC. Construction. Join BE and CD and then draw DM perpendicular to AC, DM perpendicular to this AC, here we have 90 degrees, and EN perpendicular to AB, EN perpendicular to AB, here we have 90 degrees. Proof. Area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base into height. That is equal to half into base AD into height EN. Observe the figure. Area of triangle BDE is equal to half into base into height. That is equal to half into base BD into height EN. Observe the figure. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to half into AD into EN by half into BD into EN. These two are cancelled, these two are cancelled. That is equal to AD by BD. Equation 1. Similarly, area of triangle ADE is equal to half into AE into DM. Now the base is AE and the height is DM. Area of triangle CDE is equal to half into EC into DM. Here EC is the base and DM is the height. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE is equal to half into AE into DM by half into EC into DM. These two are cancelled, these two are cancelled. That is equal to AE by EC. Equation 2. Since the triangle BDE and the triangle CDE are on the same base DE and between the same parallels BC and DE, area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. From the equations 1 and 2, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Hence proved. Also, DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. This is called invertendo. Now, if we add 1 here in the left hand side and in the right hand side also, 1 plus DB by AD is equal to 1 plus EC by AE. This is called componendo. LCM is AD, AD by 1 is AD, AD into 1 is AD plus AD by AD is 1, 1 into DB is DB is equal to, here the LCM is AE by 1 is AE, AE into 1 is AE plus AE by AE is 1, that 1 into EC is EC. Now from the figure, AD plus DB is equal to AB by AD is equal to AE plus EC is equal to AC by AE. Thank you. Please subscribe.